A tactical approach second half because of the way the opponent were trying to play second half, because they were here to get a 1 point, which was difficult for them. When we did the 2 substitutions, it was easy for us to score more goals.
It was a good game. First, we knew the team we were coming to face, Mathare United. They are in position 2 in the league, and we are down there. So I knew it was not going to be an easy game. And given that we have never played in this field before, I can say that the way we prepared to come and approach this game worked for us today.